Alright guys, they were asking what is your favorite burger?
Well, my favorite burger is the Beyond Burger, not only because I don't eat meat, but also because it's the best burger I've tried thus far.
And I'll tell you guys, she is not lying. I'm a big meat lover, but this burger, it is truly one of a kind.
I know one thing Jay loves about these patties is how fast he cooks them. Only 4 minutes on each side, and boom, you're done. But now, what is a good burger without a side of fries?
Now you're gonna notice an air fryer a little bit later in our video. If you don't have one, please go and get one. I'd have to say at first I was a bit hesitant, really didn't know how it worked or if I would like it, but Frenchie's mom convinced me, and here we are.
Typically, we use russet potatoes, but if you're trying to keep it light, sweet potatoes are your go-to. But then again, you can always pick your poison.
Now I don't know about you guys, but the fun part about making a burger for me are definitely the toppings. We personally like to use sauteed onions, shredded mozzarella, and our pink sauce. Now it's just a fancy way of saying ketchup and mayo mixed together. Now guys, this is our first video. We just want to share with you guys my love for cooking and Frenchie's passion for filming.
We'll be giving you guys an inside look of the meals we cook at home and also the places we go eat.
If you guys enjoyed any of the content today, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help our channel, guys.
Have an idea of something you would like to see us do? Please leave a comment and please come eat with us.
Now, like Frenchie said, guys, we really appreciate you guys visiting our channel. And once again, guys, you can always come and eat with us.